take us around the globe in our mission to bring each and every one to a higher state, connecting the hearts and minds of people through music, and turning the whole world